Alright, everybody, you don't know who this is. This is the Skilla. And right about now, I'm going to tell you about a news. Just after Beenie and Popcorn having their beef, they now have this fake alert news that Beenie Man is in hospital fighting for his life. It is not true. You see, what's happening here is called internet working. Okay? And I know a lot of people are getting the hang of it, but isn't things like these illegal? Creating websites like this. Now, here I'm going to show you what and how it happened. Just read this hoax alert. Now, the hoax alert says, was Jamaican dancehall artist Beenie Man, aka Anthony Moses Davis, shot at least twice by unknown assailants? Right? Well, in this hoax alert, it says, no, it is not so. That story is not true. So, they published the thing on, like you will see it on the media, Facebook, Instagram, whatsoever, and it's going to say that it was published by CNN.com. And when you actually click that link, it goes to a blank page showing error. So you see what I mean? It's just internet networking. And then this hoax alert come out. You see? Anyways, I'm not pointing any fingers, but I'm telling everyone that anyone that is doing these things needs to stop. Have you ever heard about the boy that cried wolf? Okay. Anyways, you don't know the Skilla. Keep it true, me keep it real. And for any of you that need to know what's going on in and around the world, on Jamaica's topic, any topic in Jamaica and of the Skilla's entertainment, you have to click that subscribe button. My name is Skilla, and this has been Skilla's Entertainment.